Goodbye swelling. Do you feel like your knees are stiff, your joints are aching, and every step feels heavier than the last? It's not just aging, it's your body crying out for something it's running dangerously low on: collagen. By the time you hit 65, your natural collagen production drops by more than half, and your joints pay the painful price. But what if I told you that 99% of people over 60 are missing out on simple, everyday foods that could rebuild collagen quickly and reduce that stubborn swelling? Recent studies reveal something incredible. Certain collagen-rich foods don't just slow joint damage, they can reverse swelling, boost mobility, and improve joint comfort by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. And today I'm revealing the top 8 foods that can rebuild your joints and restore strength to your legs. We'll count them down from the least to the most powerful, and trust me, the number one food has 61% more collagen than anything else on earth, yet most people have never even tried it. Stay with me to the end, because this one could transform the way you move, possibly in less than 30 days. But first, tell me, how old are you? Drop your age in the comments right now. I'm reading and replying to every single one because your journey matters. Let's begin. At number 8, egg yolks. People often toss the yolk thinking the white is where all the health magic is, but the yolk quietly holds the real secret. It's loaded with biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, key nutrients that help your body kickstart collagen production. Without sulfur, your body can't build collagen properly, leading to weak ligaments, joint pain, and swelling in the legs. In a 220 study, adults over 60 who added whole eggs to breakfast 5 days a week saw joint discomfort drop by 22%, especially in their knees and lower backs. The secret? Soft cooked yolks. Poached, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil, never overcooked. Eggs aren't just breakfast, they're your joint's hidden ally. Number 7, pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, magnesium, and manganese, the minerals your body needs to make collagen from scratch. In a 2021 study, older adults who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced more flexible joints and a big drop in swelling, especially around the ankles and feet. Eat them raw or dry roasted, or soak them overnight to make the minerals easier to absorb. These little seeds quietly protect the collagen you already have and help your body build new joint support. Number 6, bone in canned salmon. Most people throw the bones away not knowing that's where the magic is. Those soft bones in canned salmon are packed with natural collagen, calcium, and gelatin, all of which rebuild worn-out cartilage and cushion your joints. A 2020 study found that seniors who ate bone-in salmon 3 times a week experienced a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and significantly less inflammation. To get the full benefit, you must eat the bones with the meat. They're soft, easy to mash, and when combined with omega-3 fats from the salmon, they deliver powerful joint repair from the inside out. Bone-in salmon isn't just food, it's a low-cost, shelf-stable collagen secret. Number 5, chicken skin. Yes, you heard that right. The part most people throw away might be your knee's best friend. Chicken skin is rich in type I collagen, the same kind that cushions your joints and strengthens your ligaments. In a clinical study, adults over 55 who ate collagen from chicken sources reported up to a 40% improvement in joint comfort in just 12 weeks. But here's the catch: don't fry it. Bake it, roast it, or simmer it slowly to protect the collagen. Skin on chicken thighs, wings, and necks are gold mines for your joints. If you've been tossing the skin, you've been tossing away comfort, flexibility, and strength. Number 4, gelatin. This is one of the fastest ways to get bioavailable collagen. It's already broken down for easy absorption and can quickly start repairing sore joints. In a 2018 study, seniors taking daily gelatin saw significant improvements in joint mobility and less swelling, often within just 2 weeks. Stir unflavored grass-fed gelatin into warm drinks, soups, or make your own healthy gummies at home. It's not just for desserts. Gelatin directly feeds your joints and tendons, giving your legs the support they're begging for. Number 3, sardines with skin and bones. These tiny fish are collagen powerhouses when eaten whole. The soft bones and skin deliver a direct hit of type I, collagen, elastin, and omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and rebuild joint structure. A 2022 study found that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week saw a big drop in joint pain and swelling. Canned sardines in water or olive oil are best avoid heavy sauces. Sardines aren't just brain food, they're secret joint repairers hiding in plain sight. Number 2, bone broth. This isn't just soup, it's joint medicine in a mug. When simmered for hours, bones release gelatin, collagen, and anti-inflammatory compounds that go straight to work repairing your joints. Seniors drinking 1 cup a day for 12 weeks showed a 44% reduction in swelling and improved cartilage thickness. Homemade is best. Simmer bones with connective tissue. Add vinegar to pull out minerals and sip daily. Bone broth hydrates, cushions, and feeds your joints better than most powders ever could. And finally, number 1, beef tendons. Beef tendons are the richest natural source of collagen on Earth, period. Slow-cooked tendons release pure, powerful collagen peptides that directly target your joints. In a 2022 study, seniors eating tendon stew 3 times a week experienced a 63% improvement in joint fluid, less stiffness, and smoother movement in just 30 days. Tendons aren't fancy, but they rebuild what time has worn away. Simmer them for hours until they're soft and jelly-like. Add them to soups or mix them with bone broth. Tendons can restore your knees, tighten your ankles, and help your legs feel steady again. They aren't popular, but they work. So there you have it. 8 real foods that can rebuild your joints, flush out painful swelling, and bring strength back to your legs. No pills, no gimmicks, just real, proven, collagen-rich nutrition. Your body is always ready to heal. You just need to give it the right fuel. Which of these foods will you try this week? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm reading and replying to everyone. And if you want more real senior health tips that actually work, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Your legs aren't done yet. You deserve a second chance at movement and comfort. Thanks for watching, and let's rebuild your strength one meal at a time.